Do you know many people are having trouble with changing the direction of the slicing or shredding blades on their Cuisinart BFP-703 blender? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Assemble work bowl. Starting with the process, assemble the clear work bowl onto the collar and base of the blender. Step 2. Attach adapter stem. Take the adapter stem and push down the rounded side onto the motor shaft. Step 3. Place reversible disc. Onto the adapter stem, place the reversible slicing or shredding disc with the cutting edge face upward. Step 4. Secure bowl cover. Secure the bowl cover, locking it by twisting clockwise. Remember to put food in the feed tube. Step 5. Initiate blender process. Push moderate pressure onto the pusher while pressing the on, pulse, and the feed processor buttons simultaneously. Step 6. Disassemble components. To dismantle, first lift the disc from the stem, then turn and lift the work bowl from the base. With these steps, switching the direction of your blender's blade should now be a breeze. Happy blending? Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There, you will also find questions and answers from other Cuisinart users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.